Assalamu alaikum everyone. Pepe 2, my goodness man, what did this coin do? And yeah, so we have massive pump in the past few days. We've seen 126% move that has happened for Pepe 2, and money is actually flowing inside this coin, which is pretty good to see for those people who are holding. So let's talk about Pepe 2. So first things first, let's get into the 4-hour time frame here, and let's get to where the base was. The base was down here where you're struggling to get above, and this was pretty much this break right over here. So you can see that this was your first pattern that you had, rounded bottom right there. You broke above it, came for the retest, and you have a technical target that goes from here to here, and this is actually printing, and I think it's actually met. Okay, so this target is already met. That's the reason why we actually ended up going up there. Now that you've moved up here, another thing is you're coming to a certain resistance right over there. This is a resistance, but also just as you had this small rounded bottom, the fun thing is this is a bigger rounded bottom, isn't it? Okay, so it's still a pattern, a ball, just like you had one here. Now question is, can you break above this another saucer bottom or a rounded bottom, which is actually going from there to there? In the next coming few days, do expect another break, and if that break happens, I'm just going to turn on off the logarithmic scale, and then you're going to see Pepe 2 going from this to that, and you may have probability of actually continuing on if everything goes absolutely okay, and that's going to be another 61% move up, and that's where you have some liquidity with this wick, another liquidity with that wick right over here. And if you do end up getting above here as well, then who knows, you know, if you get bullish, you can actually even continue all the way back up to the all-time high. But I'm just going to depend on this one small little bit of pattern that you have. So if you do take out 5 0 1 2 3, you're sitting at 4 4 6 6 4. That is going to be a very clear break. If you come down, push down for the retest again, could be a good entry with some stop loss here, and you can actually try your luck all the way up here to this stage. And that's all for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.